Using RMS AI in customer service. The status of ship equipment is transmitted to JMarine Cloud and RMS Center via the VDR network. Next, on the RMS Center's web server, an AI chatbot designed for troubleshooting will answer the user's questions. Additionally, the AI chatbot will analyze the ship's status information to provide failure prediction information. Gathering fault detection data as well as sensor data, and then utilizing AI for preventive and predictive maintenance, can result in cost savings of up to 30%, making it a highly effective strategy. Furthermore, the chatbot supports text and voice input in multiple languages. Using VDR and satellite antennas, data is stored in JMarine Cloud. The AI chatbot and predictive maintenance features are accessed and operated via the Smart Ship Viewer website. Let's examine some case studies. An alarm sound is triggered on the Navtex. After connecting to the RMS system via the internet, the JRC engineer analyzes the malfunction data and investigates the root cause. Using the new system, customers can use the AI chatbot for troubleshooting to diagnose issues themselves and decide on further actions, including self-repair or requesting manufacturer assistance. The following is an example of RMS AI, predicting the remaining useful lifespan of the Echo from the port side radar. When the status information of vital components in the equipment is relayed to a trained AI model, it can forecast the time remaining until a malfunction occurs. For instance, as time passes, radar images tend to become blurry. Therefore, after measuring the current value of the magnetron, RMS AI analyzes the usage pattern to predict the replacement timing. Dashboard mode. In dashboard mode, users can keep track of key performance indicators, access the list of ships, and view the map displaying the locations of the ships. Map mode. In map mode, you'll find the ship list on the left menu. At the top, there's information about the selected ship, along with quick access buttons for the AI chatbot and the service network. When the conning switch is turned on in the left menu, a pop-up will appear on the map. When you select a ship on the map, a pop-up displaying detailed information about that ship will appear. Alarm mode. Upon the occurrence of an alarm, the ship's color shifts to red, and the alarm button becomes active within the pop-up. Let's explore how to troubleshoot and resolve issues when an alarm is triggered. Firstly, when an alarm occurs, you can check the problematic equipment in the device configuration window. Secondly, in the system diagram window, you can verify the fault location and perform self-diagnosis by referencing equipment diagrams and photos. Thirdly, you have the option to check the AI chatbot's fault diagnosis details and engage in a conversation to ask for troubleshooting guidance or inquire about the manual's contents. Fourthly, you can locate JRC service agents by region, select your preferred agent for repair requests, and by clicking on the Service Request button, a repair request document will be automatically generated. You can add user comments to the repair request document, and then send it via email.